back with another video. Midnight Blizzard Shark versus Helios Volcano. First 2 points. So yeah, let's get this done. And I'm doing it against Hyperion because Hyperion's practically guaranteed to break it, so yeah. Oh, Helios won very quickly. Okay, since that was a really short battle, I'll do just one more round. I honestly was not expecting for that to happen, though. Oh, Helios limit break almost activated, though. Okay, Blizzard Shark bursted. I can definitely see how Blizzard Shark bursted, though. Because, again, Helios actually is pretty strong, so I'm not giving Helios credit. Well, Blizzard Shark is pretty strong and good. So is Helios, and it's a lot stronger, so yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, press the like and subscribe button. So anyways, stay safe and have fun. Bye.